Hey everybody, I got a box here for us, and it is from, I believe it's Goodwill, Shop Goodwill. This was the second box that I bought of jewelry, and we'll get it open here in a second and find out what's inside. Hey guys, okay. So the box is open. This is the box from Shop Goodwill. And what I did was I put all the earrings and stuff in a little bag. A couple of other things too, I think. And then I just put everything else in the bottom here. It's just easier for me to do it if this thing will hold still for me. Let me put this down a little bit. Okay, hopefully it'll stay there, guys. Okay, let me pull some of this out. See what we got here. Ooh, this is cute. This is, I believe, supposed to be a choker, but it don't stretch very far, so I'm not sure how that would work. It's cute though. Maybe for a kid? Probably a kid's choker, guys. Let's see. Let's measure this thing. Yeah, because it's 12 inches around. My head's probably bigger than that. But I like that. I think it's really pretty. It's cute. I don't know, guys. $1 for that? Let's see. Here's the stretchy. The stretch is good. Looks like pewter to me. Don't mind my nails. I didn't get a chance to do them, guys. I've been wiped out this week. I'm just real tired. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that well, I don't know. These were kind of hard, actually. Yeah, I think these are just like glass beads, probably. It's not real heavy. It's in good condition. Let's do $3 on that. And this, now this is also got a little weight, not a lot. And it's stretchy too, and the stretch is really good on here. Now, I don't know what this is. I have no idea. I'm sure it's just probably some metal. If I could guess, let's see, maybe it's some of those little sinkers they use for fishing. No, I'm kidding. Let's see here. That's not bad. That's cute. Let's do $3 on that one too. Okay. Whoa, what is this? Okay. This is just a little tied bracelet. And this is one of the evil eye bracelets to keep away the evil eye. Yeah. With a gold tone on it. We'll do $1 for that. And these look like hand painted. This is like a pine green. It looks kind of darker on the camera. It is a dark green, and it's got some wear on the inside, or it has to be clean, one of the two. Okay, let's see how big this is. Just about 3 inches. 3 inches. Let's do 2 on that. And this is one just like it. And we'll do 2 on this as well. Also needs some cleaning or polishing, or that's enamel, I'm sure. Yeah. The other one is in a little bit better shape, I think. Okay. Wow. Here's some more gold tone, or it looks like copper tone to me, but it looks like it has some wear to it. Oops, sorry guys. I don't know. It looks like it has some wear to it. Yeah. Stretchy. The stretch is good. The stretch is really good. But the beads kind of look like just from sitting around maybe. Let's do $1. Okay. Oh, here's another one. We'll do 3 on this one as well. And let's see here. What is this? This is a necklace. I think that's cute. See if we can do it this way. What? Things are falling around here. Okay. Let's see here. Where would this go? Let's do it right about there. And see how big this is. This is an 18-inch to the cabochon, or whatever you want to call it, the pendant, I'm sorry. And 1 1/4 inch extension. I'm not sure what kind of beads these are, but they feel acrylic. And then this feels silver tone. And I don't really see anything on here like a mark. It's really lightweight. Let's do $4 on that. Ooh, this is pretty. I like them red beads. Oh yeah, that is pretty, guys. Let's do 3 on that. That's a stretchy bracelet too. That's nice. Ooh, here's another red one. Different, but same kind of color red. This one also has good stretch left. I don't know, this one might be a little looser. Let's do 2 on that one. Okay. We have another little stretchy bracelet. And I'm sure these are probably glass beads or or plastic. More than likely they're acrylic or and these are glass. It looks almost like the other one we have. Let's do 3 on that. Ooh, I like this. I saw some earrings that might go with this in this bag here. Let's see. Let's see what. This is Chico's. Ooh, this is pretty. Pretty. Okay, let's see here. I know I've seen some earrings that would match that. Oops. Okay. Let's see. Okay. guess I'll have to pull them out to find them. Let's see. Oops. Okay. Oh, there's one. And here's the other one. And this is marked Chico as well. Let's see. Yep. Chico's. But anywho, these earrings go with this. Let's do 10 on that. Let's see how long it is. I think it goes like from there. Let's do it. Hold on a second. Let's see. That still ain't straight though. That's okay. Okay. Let's see what we got here. This is a 16-inch necklace with a 2-inch pendant. And it has, let's see, a 2-inch extension. So 20 inches basically, and 2 earrings that go with it. And that is Chico's, $10.
Yeah.
All right.
You know why?
Next.
Chico's? These are made of C.
Huh?
These are C's.
Yeah, it looks like one, right?
Oh, they are, yeah.
Okay, this little necklace here it's very tiny, actually. It has little heart earrings with it. That'd be nice for Valentine's Day. A little gold tone heart, and it just says stainless steel on it. Let's see if I can measure it like that. I don't know. Let's see. 16-inch with a 2-inch extension. Let's do 4 on that one. Okay. Let's see. Oh boy, we got a bunch of these little silver bracelets, stretchy bracelets. So, for these, let's do, let's do, gosh, how many we got all together? Let's see here. That one's a little bit different, but we got these two. Okay, these are the same kind. Let's do $3 for all 3 of them. Okay. This one is a little bit different, and I don't see any mark on it. It looks more vintagey. And that is, let's see how big this is. This is 9 1/4 inches. And this is gold tone, or it is copper. I'm not positive. But it is very, very pretty. Let's do 3 on that. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I like this one. That's cute. All kinds of little media on there. And it's got a toggle clasp. And it is 7.5 inches. Let's see if we got any marks on it anywhere here. I don't see any. Nope, don't see a thing, guys. Let's do 3 on this little bracelet. $3. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, this is nice too. This is a double chain. Well, it's one chain and the other one is like a rope or a string. And let's see here. And then it's got the little pendant down here. And I believe that this goes inside. And let's see what the longest one is. The longest one is 8.5 inches. And then this other one is 6.25 inches. And this is probably pewter, I would believe. I don't see anything on the no markings. Let's do 4 on that one. Ooh, this is pretty. This is got a hang tag of New York, I believe. It's NY. This is cute. It's a wire. It's probably stainless steel wire. And, but it does have the brand tag. And it is a nice little necklace. Let's see here. Let's see what we got. This goes to, I want to say 8 inches, so 16 inches, and let's see here, about 1.25 extension. We'll do 5 on that, on the New York necklace. Then we got some more in here. Oh, we got another one of these. Did you put this over here, Bart? Or is there another one?
What's that?
This. Oh no, we got another one. Okay. So we got 2 of these little bracelets here. This does have a mark that's an M, I believe. Let's see. Maybe the other one did too. How about that? It does have a mark in it, guys, but I cannot see it. Let's do $3 on this one. It's got, I believe that's, I don't know. I think that's just painted on there. 3 on that one. Let's see what the other one is. Oh yeah, the other one is the evil eye. That's right, to keep away the evil eye. Okay. Alright, let's see. Let's get some more out here. Oh, this is cute. This, I don't know. This stretch, I think this is out of whack, guys. So I'll do $1 on this if somebody wants it for crafts. Then we got, this is a strange necklace. Let's see here. Okay. Well, this is how this goes. It has some little pink acrylic beads. I believe this is black metal chains, and then it has faux pearls. And it is 20-inch necklace with about a 3.5-inch extension. Wow. I don't know, guys. Let's do 5 on that one too. Okay. Ooh, that's nice. All the rhinestones are here. That is cute. This one, I believe, is marked. Let me see. Let's see. Maybe not. No. Just a nice copper clasp. That's what it looks like. A really nice copper clasp. Let's see. Alright. That is pretty. Pretty. Alright, let's see here. 16-inch with 1.5-inch extension. In very good condition, guys. Let's do 8 on this one. Okay. Next, we have an interesting one. Let's see here. Alrighty. That's how this one goes. These are blue stones. They look kind of gray. These look more gray. And then these look dark gray. These are gray for sure. And let's see here. Gotta get it where it's supposed to be. But I think these hang down is what they do. And you have, let's see, I'm trying to get them straight here. So I can measure it right. All right. Let's see. This would be 14-inch necklace, and this looks vintage, guys, and 2-inch extension. And yeah, I think that's vintage. Let's see here. Oh. Well, no. It's not magnetic, guys. I don't know. I don't see any marks on it. Well, maybe it's stainless steel. You think? Let's do 5 on this. Okay. Oh, this is a cutie. Ooh, I like that lavender. That is so pretty. Let's see if I can get this right here. This is a wire necklace, of course. Probably stainless steel. And it is 14-inch with let's see, I screwed that up, didn't I? Let me try to get this right. About a 2-inch extension. We can do 3 on this. I think that is so cute. Okay.
Oh.
Alright. This has a hang tag, and it's also NY, which I believe is New York. And it is made, this is like, I don't know, I don't want to say it's leather because I'm not sure, alright? Looks like it, but who knows? And this has some superficial scratches on it. I think that's the back though, and that would be the front. And let's see here. This is 16-inch, and this is a double rope actually, or double leather. 16-inch with a 1-inch extension. And I'm sure this is just silver tone. It does need to be cleaned. I think it needs just cleaning. But it is pretty. Let's do 3 on that. Okay. Oh, these are nice. Check these out. I don't know what kind of stones those are. I have no idea. But they're very smooth. And they're cold to the touch. And they're in very good condition. Let's do these for $4. $4. And, oh, hey, look here. This goes with that bracelet. Whoops, sorry, guys. Hold on a second. I didn't know that bracelet had a matching necklace. Okay, let me get this straight here first so I don't fall. And this necklace is a tie where you just pull them both sides and make them tighter. Wow. Let's do, I guess we should sell them together, huh? Let's see. Where is that little bracelet at? Hold on, guys. Okay. This is the bracelet, the matching bracelet. So let's do both of them for $10. We'll do both for 10. This is adjustable. So, yeah. It's not really heavy, but it's got a little bit of weight to it. Okay. Oh boy. Yeah, this is cute. Okay, let's see if there's any markings on here that I can see. There is a name for this. Oh, there it is. This is marked GS. I don't know what GS is, guys. It looks tarnished a little bit. It needs to be polished. So it is a marked bracelet, but it needs cleaning. And I don't see anything else on here, guys. Just the hang tag that says GS. And it actually looks like a big G and a little S. If you can see that. Okay. Let's do 5 on that. Oh, let me measure this for you. Let's see. 9 inches. 9 inches, but very adjustable. Yes. With a toggle clasp. Cool. Oh, that's cute too. Check that out, guys. That is so cute. Let's see. Oops. Let's see. All right. This is 16-inch necklace with a just about 2-inch extension. We'll do 3 on that. I think it's cute. Okay. Ooh. Hearts. We got some hearts for what do you call it? Oh, this is 925, guys. It's tiny though to me. 925 heart. I don't see any name on it. It's just marked 925 on the clasp. So it is a swoops. Looks like 7.5-inch bracelet. Let's do 12 on the bracelet. Okay. All right. This is handmade. Very interestingly handmade. This I'm sure is stainless steel wire. Probably acrylic beads. And I'm not sure about the pearls, guys. I don't want to try to rub them together. Interesting. Let's do $3 on this. It's not real light, but it's not heavy either. Okay, $3.
Rest of all these earrings.
Okay. These earrings
Get them all together for you.
are magnetic. They look copper to me. I'm not positive, but they look like it. Let's do $2 on those.
Okay.
And let's see here.
All the pairs right there.
What do you got
okay,
there?
sorry.
Okay, but you got some stray ones too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it in my hand.
These are as cute as a bug.
In a rug.
In a rug, yes.
It's getting hot in here.
And they are not magnetic. I'm not sure. I don't see any markings on them. But you guys know me, who knows, right? I just think they're really pretty. That's amazing. Well, I'm not gonna get out the testing kit tonight, so let's do $3 on this pair. Okay. Ooh, this is cute. This is cute. I'm sure these are rhinestones. And let's see if there's anything on here. I don't see anything. I don't see anything on the connection there. And it goes like this. It's a wire. I believe. Let's see. It's not wire, it is magnetic. Let's do, it needs to be clean. Let's do $2 on that. Okay. This, I'm not sure what this is. This, I want to say that this was probably on a necklace somewhere. I'm not sure where. I mean, not on any of the necklaces I got here. And those are probably rhinestones. We'll do 3 on it. Okay.
Those are all pairs.
Yeah, okay. Alright. These, Bert's putting the pairs of earrings together for me. Bless his little pea-picking heart.
Yeah, sure, whatever.
These are vintage, I'm sure, guys. Okay? There's little flowers here on the top. They're post-hanging earrings. I'm sure those are probably rhinestones. And on the bottom, they kind of look, let's see. I think they're about the same color. Like an amber color. And I can put some new backs on them. They have one back on it, this one, but yeah, those are pretty. Let's do 4 on those. Okay. Ooh, this is nice too. La-di-da. Let's see if I can manipulate this really quickly here. Oh, hey, how about that? Okay. Push these over a little so it doesn't take from what I'm showing you. These are very cute. These most likely are, oh, I would say maybe acrylic and rhinestones. And it is 14 inches. And you have a big extension of 3.5 inches. So, let's see here. This is what the back looks like. Very good condition. Let's do 5 on that. Okay. Oh, somebody did some seed beading. I love seed beads. I like the way they put this little clasp on here like that. That is cool. I like that. This must be vintage too. I used to have one sort of like this years ago when I was a teeny bopper. And this here, I believe is, I don't know if this is wood. It feels like wood. It looks a little warped to me, guys. But,
If it's warped, it must be wood.
I'm telling you. Yeah. Otherwise, it's in really good condition. Let's see. I don't know how you would do that. So, this is an 18-inch necklace with the clasp. Well, with the button clasp. Let's do 3 on it. Because I don't know about that. This is nice. Hey, check this out, guys. This is a longie. Oh, and it's marked. Let's see. I can't remember who this is, guys. I'm gonna try to put it up here. I just can't remember it offhand. Yeah. I think is it Brighton? I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. Looks like a BR to me. Let's see. I think these are faux pearls, though. Yeah, these are faux pearls. And this is 32-inch necklace. And a hand, oh, we got another, we got a extension. I didn't think we did. Let's see here. So 32-inch necklace and 1 3/4 inch extension. And this is what it looks like close up. Sort of a bronze and gold ballies. Faux pearls. Let's see. Yeah, it's magnetic. Let's do 8 on that one. Okay. Okay, here's a cute little cross bracelet, $1. It's stretchy. Ooh, I like this one. Ooh, this one is marked too, guys. This one is silver too. I think it says 925 Italy. That's what it says. That is a pretty bracelet. Yes.
It's Italiano.
Yeah. I like the clasp too. That's nice. Let's see here, guys. This is 8 inches, and wow, let's do 12 on this one too. We'll do 12 on this too. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it open. Oh, here's another one of them little stretchy bracelets that look vintagey, and these have a different color stone than the other ones do too, so I'm not sure though. They could be glass. And I'm sure these are glass. Pretty cute though. Everything is there. Let's see. That's how it stretches. Let's do 3 on that. Okay, these are different. Oh no, this is a ring. Okay, this is a ring. And it has, I think this is, what do you call it? Lacquer? Is that what they call it? But it looks like it has, somebody made it smaller. They put something in there like a ring thing to make it smaller. Let's see. Okay, with this,
it fits.
Yeah, with this, it's a size 8. Let's do 5 on that. Okay. Oh, this is cute. This is probably rhinestones. Whoops. Where'd it go? 1 second.
Nope. They're not anymore.
This is probably a 7. I would think this is probably a 7. I need to find my sizer. It just, ugh. Ever since we moved, I can't find anything. But it looks copper to me. But it's non-magnetic. Well, guys, I'm not sure. I don't see it marked. No, I can't see it if it's marked, guys. Yeah. It could be. You never know. But it is pretty. It's like a feather with some rhinestones in it, really. Let's do 5 on that, too. Okay. These, it looks like we have 2 pairs. Are these different? Yes, they are. Okay, well, let's see here. Which one goes with which? Okay. These are post earrings. They look vintage too. Let's see. They're magnetic. Let's do them for $3. And these look almost like them with a different motif. And these will be $3 also. Okay. We got some little seed bead red earrings. These are magnetic. Do $3 on those. Oh, I like these. They're cute. Somebody, whoever had this pile of, or put it together or something, they love these little magnetic, not magnetic, what do you call them? The metal, because we just have so many bracelets with the metal and everything like that, you know. These are not magnetic. They're possibly gold. This is magnetic, so $3. Oh, here's some cherry balls. Cherry balls, good condition. $3 on the cherry balls.
In case you get hungry.
Oh, I like these. Those could be mine if nobody wants them. Let's do 6 on these. I love them things.
What's your name?
Oh yeah,
What's your name?
they're magnetic, but if nobody buys them, Carol will be wearing them. Yeah, because I like the black metal for one thing, and for another thing, that's just my type of earring. 6 on those. Okay. Oh, these are pretty too. These look like hematite, maybe. And they are, let's see. Oh, they're not magnetic either. Surprise. One and a quarter, I think. I think these are pretty, the way that they are. They look like either black metal or hematite. I'm going to say hematite, or if I'm pronouncing it right. Let's do $4 on those. Okay, these, the little motif leaves. The leaves are non-magnetic. The earrings on the leaves are magnetic. So, let's see. I don't see anything. Let's do 3 on those as well. Whoa, sorry guys. Oh, goodness. Okay. Bert. Oh, I like these too. I believe this is acrylic or plastic. I can't tell you which. But they're magnetic. We'll do 3 on those. Ooh, these are pretty. Oh, so pretty. Ooh, they got some rhinestones everywhere. Ooh. That's cool.
Crystal.
Yeah, that's what they look like. These are non-magnetic. Let's see. I'm looking for the silver emblem, but I don't see it. So let's do 5 on these. Okay. Oh, those are cute too. They're magnetic. $2 on these. And ooh, I like these too. These could be mine too. $2 on the big long gray feathers. I think they're cute. Non-magnetic. There you go. Oh, and some miniature ones. Check it out. We got those gray ones and then the small black ones. These are magnetic. These are $2. Okay. This is cute. It needs a bath. It definitely needs a bath. It looks just like the other bracelet, but it has a different, what would you call it? Pendant or whatever on it. Let's do $2 on that. Oh my goodness, we got more of those? You're kidding me. Okay guys, there's 3 more of these here. I can't believe they're not magnetic. Okay, we'll do $3 for these 3 as well. And then we just got these little thingies here, and this says Bluma Project. I've never heard of that. I can't do it, guys. I'm trying. Little tiny beads, stretches like new. And then this one doesn't have anything on it but just a plain little stretchy bracelet. So together they'll be $2.
How about a reindeer?
Oh, and a reindeer. It's a little bit late, but it's magnetic. And this is a pin, and it don't have the back on it.
Yep.
But I might be able to find one for somebody who wants it. And cool. It has all the little rhinestones, and I think it's Rudolph or...
It's Dasher.
Dasher, yeah, that's what I was thinking. Don't quote me on that. But that is pretty. Let's do, let's do 5 on that. Okay, get out of here.
That's it.
All right, so Bert had some extra earrings here that will go in our... Yeah, they will go in our crafts, and pretty soon I'm going to have to sell our craft bag, or craft, yeah, they're bags, but they'll go in a box, because we just have too many. So,
broken.
Yeah.
That's broken, yeah.
So, oh, that's pretty. I wish we would have got the, oh, there is the other one.
Where?
Hey, guys.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, that's pretty. Ooh, those are nice. These look like crystal earrings. Let's see.
Very interesting.
Yeah. Let's see if I see any markings here. I don't see any markings, guys. Let's do $3 on those. Okay. And I guess that's it for today. And then we have to, we're going to do our Battle of the Boxes this weekend. Our fabric boxes, and gosh, please pray we get some good stuff in there. Yeah, I sure hope so. I lost out on all the stuff today. I just wasn't with it today. I tried to grab jewelry, thread up, forget it. It was sold out in record time. Goodwill, they did theirs early, just like they did last week, which is stupid. But I'm just wondering if somebody maybe just moved there and thought that they were on another time zone or something. I don't know. Because I've been getting some of their jewelry in boxes for a while, and they've never messed up until the last couple of days. Excuse me. See, I'm tired. I'm overworked and underpaid. If you guys want anything in my videos, I will put my email throughout the video and also in the description box. Thank you so much for being with us tonight. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the bell next to subscribe so you get all our videos, and share us out on your media if you would like. Other than that, we wish you a blessed night, and we will see you on our next video. Bye now.